The lover and birds William Allingham within a budding grove, in April's year sang every bird his best, but not a song to pleasure my unrest, or touch the tears and wept of bitter love. Some spake, methought, with pity, some as if in jest. To every word of every bird I listened, and replied as it behove. Screamed chaffinch, sweet, sweet, sweet. Pretty lovey, come and meet me here. Chaffinch, quoth I, single quote be eatum a while, in fear thy darling prove no better than a cheat, and never come, or fly when wintry days appear. Yet from a twig, with voice so big, the little fowl his utterance did repeat. Then I, the man forlorn, hears earth send up a foolish noise aloft. And what'll he do? What'll he do? Scoffed the blackbird, standing in an ancient thorn, then spread his sooty wings and fluted to the croft with cackling laugh. Whom I, being half enraged, called after, giving back his scorn. Worse mocked the thrush, die. Oh, could he do it? Could he do it? Nay. Be quick. Be quick. Here, here, here. Went his sleigh. Take heed. Take heed. Then we? Why? 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 See now. See now. He drawled back. 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 Run away. O thrush, be still. Or at thy will, seek some less sad interpreter than I air. Blue air and white. Whither I flee, whither, oh whither I flee. Thus the lark hurried, mounting from the lee hills, countries, many waters glittering bright, whither I see. Deeper, 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 whither I see. Gay lark, I said, the song that spread in happiness may well to heaven make flight. There's something sad, I half remember pipe at a broken strain. Well sung, sweet robin. Robin sung again. Spring's opening cheerily, cheerily. Be we glad. Which moved, I wist not why, me melancholy mad, till now, grown meek, with wetted cheek, most comforting and gentle thoughts I had.